Hi gorgeous, how are you doing? Yes guys, I'm just hoping that you guys are really doing great. Yes, for me here I'm doing awesome. And yeah, and guys, welcome to today's video. And on today's video I just want to show you something easy on how to do like your lipstick ombre. Yeah, so something with this thing. Yep. Yeah, so number one, I've already done my makeup. Yeah, I did this simple makeup today. And so the first thing first to do is I've already exfoliated my lips. You really need to make sure that your lips are well exfoliated, because you don't want to apply your lipstick and then after some time you're getting like flaky things on your lips. Yeah, so that's why you really need to make sure that you have exfoliated your lips to remove the dead skin. And yes, and to make sure your lips are clean. So for me, because I know there is some makeups here, I'm going to wipe all the excess makeup. Maybe I have you see, there is some makeup, there is some foundation, the powder and everything. So that is number one. Number two, the first method that I'm going to use today is by blending lip liner and nude lipstick. Okay, yeah, so first thing I'm going to lip line my lips, sorry. So I've already lip lined my lip, so I need to extend the what do you call this eye pencil. It's, by the way, I haven't told you this, it's a Davis eye pencil number 3, the big one. It's a little bit oily, so that's I think it works best when you lip lining your lips. Yes, so I'm going to extend this lip lining inwards a little bit. You can use black, you can use any other color that you want, but for me I'll use this color. Yeah, so after that I'm going to apply my nude lipstick. After that I'm just going to now do like this. Right. See, so guys, don't worry about now. It depends with you how bright you want it to be. If you want it to be more brighter than this one, you're just going to add your nude lipstick. If you want it to be like this, a little bit dull, a little bit, yeah, so that's how you will do it. So let's add a little bit of this nude lipstick. Yeah, so that's how it will look. Okay, yeah, so the only thing remaining is to now take a brush and clean your lipstick, your lips, using a good concealer. Okay, yeah, so that's it. That's number one. You can see it's a simple, cool, like, car blend in there. Yes, so let's go to number two. Allow me to use my coconut oil to remove this lipstick. And you can also add gloss, by the way, on top of it. If you want that shiny look, you can add gloss. And As you can see, by the way, it looks good. Wow. Even coconut oil, but for gloss a little bit, it's, you know, it stays there longer than coconut oil. So you can see, so you can also add this on top of it. So the next thing is using your eye pencil, any color that you want, any color that you prefer. You lip line your lips. Just like that. Now we are not going inwards, and then you take that lip gloss, okay? So to blend that in, let me use this brush. I don't want, you know, like to have that harsh, so I'll blend using this brush. Just like that. See, like you have that darkness around your lips, and now your natural lips color, and then you add, I'll advise you for this one, I'll advise you to add that colored lip gloss. Yeah, so you can see, cut it there. Yes, so that's another way, is by using lipstick and concealer. Yep. So let me first lip line my lips. Take this pink, okay, after now applying your pink lipstick, I'm going to take a brush and this concealer, and then I'm going to blend it in. From outside coming inside. Yes, so guys, just like that, you know, like the transition that is going on here is awesome, from the dark pink to lighter pink to baby pink, because of the concealer. But it's good. If you want to give it that a shiny look, let's apply gloss and see how it looks. Yes, for the shiny look. I love it, guys. I love it. Look at it. I don't know why after applying the gloss everything is just coming, you know, like I'm just loving the vibe. And now from dark pink to this shade. Yay! So yeah, that's another way to do that. The next thing is now blending two different shades of lipsticks. So if you want to remove your lipstick faster and quickly, just apply coconut oil. We're going to do the ombre of two different shades of lipstick. It's very important to refine your lips. If you don't want struggles with lipsticks, try these ones. So I'm going to start with the burgundy one. Just like that. Yes, so you can see the middle here I haven't applied anything, so that's why I'm going to go with my nude color. And then after that I'll do the mama thing. And make sure that it has blended in completely. That is it. Okay, so if you want to make it a little bit brighter, the only thing you need to do is to add a nude color and continue with the mama thing. Yes guys, just like that. Just like that. So simple. Let's add a gloss and see. Let's see. No, I don't know why, but gloss just changes everything. So easy, so simple. I wish you see the transition. Yes guys, so that was it from me today. See you in the next video, and I hope you've learned something. See you in the next video.